It's time to have fun in your own homeschool. Just listen to us and we'll show you Homeschool Kids!
My name's George, and today I'm going to show you how to make a parachute. You'll need some string, a plastic, it's also expensive, a plastic bag, a paper plate, or a washer. Now, I've got 4 toys here and a hole puncher. So, now, let's begin. Okay, you grab one of these items. Alright? Grab your hole puncher, if it's the paper plate, and make 4 holes for your parachute. Here's the parachute base. So you grab some string, your string, and now, then you tie one of those bits of the string onto the parachute, and then just keep doing that, and then when you're done, then you tie on your toy. So what you do is tie this on like that, just like that, and then do the same with all of the other bits of string on. You put on your parachute. Can be anything you like, as long as it uses, as long as it has 4 bits of string on it, you can have your parachute. But if it only has 3, or if it doesn't work, this is a science project, so it's not supposed to work every time. So now we take your toy, and just tie round tight the other end of each part of each string, of each part of the string, like that, and another one. Like this, and off like that. You can do, after you've done 2, you leave the other 2. You tie it on 2. toy you're using, like that, and you tie it on, and tie it on, make sure it's in line with where you want it, otherwise it'll tie on the wrong spots. And then pull this one and tie it up. If it falls off, double knot it so it doesn't fall off again. Like that. And then you grab the toy and you can use any toy you like. And then put it in like that. And then just then tie it around its head. Tie it around like that. There's your parachute. If some fall off, then you would tie it, put it back on, tie it twice. And there's your parachute.